Hey everyone, Bob Vandy with you once again with Advisors Insurance Brokers this week of February 1st, 2021. Welcome back. A few things going on here this week. This Thursday, we've got our good friend Lawrence Vivenzio from National Guardian Life, who is going to be talking to you about traditional long-term care insurance, which is a product that they do very well with, but in the context of pivoting between traditional long-term care and hybrids. So if you're doing any long-term care planning out there, you're going to want to register for Lawrence's webinar this Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. You've got a link below to register for that, so tune into that one. Also, some important carrier news. As we mentioned previously, Transamerica is going to be exiting the traditional long-term care insurance space. We've got their official announcement on that below, so please read that for important dates and so forth. Next, from a sales tip standpoint, this week's sales tip has to do with the power of zero, and I'm borrowing that from our friend David McKnight. Many of you know David. He writes a blog, he does a podcast, and is also a personal producer and manager who really embraces this notion of paying what I like to call the tax on the seed rather than the harvest, paying taxes today at what we might argue are historically low income tax rates in order to preserve income tax-free distributions later on at what, especially in this day and age, I think we might conclude are going to eventually be much higher income tax rates. So take a look below and keep that in mind as you're thinking about your clients' portfolios. Think about the role that properly designed permanent life insurance can play as a conservative asset allocation in those portfolios. Check it out below for a little more information on that, and have a proposal or an illustration run for you or your client or someone else. So take a look at that. In addition, some of the other carrier news that is fit to print below as well. Listen, have a great week, everyone. Join us this Thursday for Lawrence's presentation on long-term care, and we'll look forward to catching up with everyone soon. Take care, everyone.